afternoon, my dear sweet little kids. How are you? I hope you are fine at your home and doing your work regularly and properly. Right? Right or not? Yes. So, my dear, which period is this? Do you know? This is not an English period. This is your EVS period. Which period is this? This is your EVS period, right? So today, you know, in previous video what we have learned? We have learned about festivals. What we have learned? We have learned about festivals. Which festivals we have learned? Tell me about which festivals we have learned. We have learned about Navratri, right? And Dussehra. There are so many festivals. Where we live in India. So, in India, that we celebrate all festivals, right? What we do, we celebrate all the festivals. So, today we are going to do exercise related to all the festivals, right? What we are going to do today? Today we are going to do exercise related to the festival. So, all of you take out your EVS notebook. Yes, take out your EVS notebook, all of you. Fast. Yes, fast. Take out your EVS notebook. Take a fresh page. All of you take a fresh page. Right? Put heading. Take out a fresh page and put heading. Put heading, all of you. Yes, put heading, all of you. Okay. Now, okay, who will tell me? Now we will put heading. You have put it, all of you. You have put the date and sorry, I will write you. Now, put the heading, all of you. Right? F, you have to say and write. All of you have to say and write. F, E, S, T, I, V, A, N. Festival. Right? Put the heading, take out fresh page and put the heading. Write neatly, right? F E S T I V A L. Festival. Sharp your pencil properly. Sharp your pencil properly. Take eraser also. And write neatly in your notebook. Right? How you will write neatly in your notebook. Now we will draw pictures also. Okay? You have to draw pictures also. And after completing our work, you can color the pictures. Right? So, first picture, okay. So tell me, which is the festival of color? Which is the festival of color? ऐसा कौन सा फेस्टिवल है इसमें कलर यूज होते हैं? हम कलर लगाते हैं एक दूसरे को और पिचकारी भी यूज होती है. पिचकारी से पानी डालते हैं. बताओ कौन सा फेस्टिवल है? Which festival is that? Who will tell me? Festival of color. Who will tell me? Yes, tell me. Holi. Yes. Holi is the festival of colors. So, all of you, look here. How I am drawing picture. You also draw the picture. Like this. First we will make rectangle. then one triangle, and one straight line, and after that circle, right? After that circle. So what we have made? Draw one line. So here, right? So what is this? This is Pichkari. So in which festival we use Pichkari? Tell me, in which festival we use Pichkari? Who will tell me? Holi. So, what we will write here? What we will write here? We will write here H. H for Holi. H for Holi. So, you have to learn only first letter. Right? You have to learn first letter. You have to identify this. You have to identify this, that which picture is this. आपको पिक्चर आइडेंटिफाई करना है और आपको बताना है कौन सा फेस्टिवल है ये. हम पिचकारी कौन से फेस्टिवल में यूज करते हैं? होली की. So we will write H. What we will write? H. Now I am writing full word, but you have to remember that yes, pichkari is used in Holi festival. So H for Holi. H for Holi. You have to learn only first letter of the picture. What you have to learn? You have to learn only first letter of the picture. So draw the picture and write the first letter of the festival. Right? Holi. Right? Which festival is this? Holi. What we use? Pichkari. We use Pichkari in Holi festival. So all of you write. You have to learn only first letter. Then write H-O-L-I. Holi. Right? Holi. So I am giving you time to write neatly and properly, and after completing your class you can color the picture. You can color the picture. So write it properly and neatly. Completed? Done? Okay. Now we will make next picture. Next picture. Which picture is this? This is picture of moon. So do you know in which festival we see moon? Eid. When they see the picture of moon, celebrate which festival? Eid. Which festival? Eid. So we will write here Eid. First letter of this festival is Eid. जब ईद का जब चांद देखते हैं तो कौन सा फेस्टिवल मनाते हैं? Eid. So right here Eid. E for Eid. Which festival? Eid. Which festival? Eid. कौन सा फेस्टिवल मनाते हैं? Eid. When they see moon. When they see a half light of moon. So which festival they celebrate? They celebrate Eid. Right? Mostly festival is this? Eid. You have to learn only first letter of the picture. You have to identify the picture and you have to remember, yes, moon. Moon means which festival? Eid. Right? So complete it in your book. Draw the picture of moon and remember the first letter of the picture. Remember the first letter of the picture. Completed? Completed? Okay. Write neatly and properly. Okay. Now, next. Okay. Sister, tie. What at a time? कौन सा फेस्टिवल ऐसा होता है जब बहनें उनके भाई के हाथ में क्या बांधती हैं? राखी. क्या बांधती है? राखी. So which festival is that? Raksha Bandhan. Which festival is that? Raksha Bandhan. Right? Sisters, भाई के हाथ में क्या बांधती हैं? राखी बांधती हैं. So which festival is that? तिलक भी लगाती हैं, राखी बांधती हैं, फिर उनकी आरती भी उतारते हैं. ओके, सो विच फेस्टिवल इज दैट? राखी, रक्षाबंधन. So draw the picture of flower like this and draw the raksha rakhi. Draw the rakhi. Draw the rakhi, all of you. So it starts from which letter? R. Raksha Bandhan starts from which letter? R. So you have to remember the picture, that is picture of Rakhi. So which festival is that? Raksha Bandhan. You have to write only first letter of the picture. Again and again I am saying that you have to learn only first letter of the picture. You have to identify the picture and you have to write first letter only. Right? You have to remember only first letter. Don't learn whole spelling. Okay. R for Raksha Bandhan. Which festival is it? Raksha Bandhan. Raksha Bandhan is राखी. राखी. जब हम राखी देखेंगे तो हम कौन सा फेस्टिवल याद करेंगे? Yes, it is Raksha Bandhan. So we will write letter R. Raksha Bandhan start from letter R. So all of you write. You have to learn only first letter. Which letter? First letter. You have to learn only first letter of the picture. So write R, A, K, S, H, A, Raksha. All of you write Bandhan. B, A, and D. All of you write properly and neatly in your book. So this is Raksha Bandhan. Rakhi means Raksha Bandhan. Which festival? Raksha Bandhan. Rakhi means Raksha Bandhan. It's R for Raksha Bandhan. R for Raksha Bandhan, right? H for Holi, E for Eid, R for Raksha Bandhan, R for Raksha Bandhan, right? Now next, complete it properly and neatly in your book, right? In your notebook. Raksha Bandhan. Which festival is this? Raksha Bandhan. Done? Completed? Now, next festival is, after Raksha Bandhan, which festival come? Tell me, which festival come? Janmashtami. What we do? जन्माष्टमी पे क्या करते हैं? जन्माष्टमी मटकी फोड़ते हैं. यस, जन्माष्टमी पे क्या करते हैं? मटकी फोड़ते हैं. जन्माष्टमी पे क्या करते हैं? मटकी फोड़ते हैं. क्या करते हैं जन्माष्टमी पे? मटकी फोड़ते हैं. राइट? यस. So Janmashtami. Why we make Janmashtami? Because it is the birthday of Krishna. Janmashtami. Which festival is this? Janmashtami. जैसे आप पिक्चर देखोगे, ये वाली मटकी टंगी है, तो आपको जल्दी से क्लिक होना चाहिए अपने माइंड में, क्या? It is the festival of Janmashtami. Draw one sleeping line, then curve and make one matki, right? Make one matki. So which festival is this? Janmashtami. Which festival is this? Janmashtami. Its side start with letter J. Start with letter J. Janmashtami. Start with letter J. Janmashtami. So J, A, N, M, A, S. Janmashtami. Which festival is this? Janmashtami. Which festival is this? Janmashtami. H for Holi, E for Eid, R for Raksha Bandhan, J for Janmashtami. Which festival? Janmashtami. Right? So complete it. Complete this. I am waiting for you. Right? Afterwards, you can color the picture properly and neatly. Right? Now, next picture we will make. Completed? Okay, complete it fast. Afterwards, when we'll finish the class, you can color all the picture afterwards, right? Now you have to complete this. Now what we will make? Tell me. Yes, which festival? Make dandiyas. Make dandiyas, all of you. Yes. When we celebrate, which festival is this? Yes, I have taught you in previous video. When we use dandiya in Navratri. Which festival is this? Navratri. So L for Navratri. And for Navratri, you have again and again I am saying here that you have to learn only first letter of the picture. Dandiya. Dandiya means is the festival of Navratri. So N for Navratri. N for Navratri. Which festival? Navratri. So N for Navratri. Yes, right, all of you. And Navratri. So all of you write properly and neatly. Navratri. So Navratri. Which festival is this? Navratri. So what we have learned? We have learned and for Navratri. All of you make dandas, make dandiyas. All of you make dandiyas. Afterwards you can color it properly and neatly. Right? Afterwards you can color it properly and neatly. Completed? Yes, so what we have done today, we have done exercise, we have written all the festivals. We have written all the festivals. Put here S also. Festivals. We have written all the festivals. Right? So all of you complete in your notebook properly and neatly. And draw the pictures again and again. I am reminding you that you have to identify the picture and you have to write only first letter. You have to remember only first letter of the picture. Right? What you have to do again, I am saying that you have to learn only first letter of the picture. Pichkari means Holi. It is a festival of Holi. Moon, it is the festival of Eid. Rakhi, it is the festival of Raksha Bandhan. Matki, Matki fourth na Vishnu one. So it is the festival of Janmashtami. Dandiya, when we play Dandiya in Navratri. So these all are the festivals. In next video again we will learn many more festivals, about many more festivals. So now I am winding up my class. Till then, bye. Have a nice day and look after yourself. Had a great time of